Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are kicking off episode 1 of our Digital Marketing Masterclass, Understanding the Basics. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur or someone looking to switch careers, this video is your first step into the exciting world of digital marketing. So grab your notepad, sip your coffee and let's dive in. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing refers to promoting products or services using digital channels such as website, social media, search engines, email and mobile apps. It's all about being where your customers are and today they are online. Think of digital marketing as a modern version of traditional marketing but with data, targeting and speed on your side. Some of the examples are when you see an ad on Instagram, that's digital marketing. Read a blog that convinces you to buy a product, content marketing. Get an email with a discount, email marketing. Digital marketing isn't just one thing. It's a combination of channels working together to attract, convert and retain customers. The next we are gonna see is why digital marketing is so powerful. Why is digital marketing such a big deal? Here are 4 reasons. First one, reach. You can target people globally or locally with just a few clicks. Second one is cost effective. You can run a Facebook ad for $5 and still reach thousands. Measurable. Unlike a billboard, you know exactly how many people saw your ad, clicked it or brought something. The fourth one is real-time feedback. You can tweak, test and optimize campaigns instantly. That's why small businesses and billion-dollar brands all use digital marketing today. Alright, now we are gonna see the difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing. Let's compare digital and traditional marketing. In traditional, it is used as TV, radio or print, and digital, social media, SEO or email. Using traditional marketing is very expensive nowadays, but using digital marketing is more affordable for many small businesses. It is hard to measure, but digital marketing is data rich. In traditional, it is a one-way interaction, but in digital, it's interactive. In traditional marketing, you can't able to ask feedback from the customers. That's the reason it's on one-way communication. On the other hand, digital marketing is a interactive communication because when the people see an ad in any social media, they can easily able to comment on the product or service. And that doesn't mean traditional is dead, but digital gives everyone the power to compete, especially with the right strategy. Now we are gonna see some of the key channels of digital marketing. Let's break down the main digital marketing channels you will be learning in this series. First one is SEO, search engine optimization, getting your website to rank on Google so people find you organically. Second one is content marketing, creating valuable content like blogs, videos and posts etc. that educates and converts. Third one is social media marketing, building a brand and engaging with your audience on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Fourth one is email marketing, sending targeted emails to lead our customers. Still one of the highest ROI methods. ROI means return on investment. Fifth one is pay per click, PPC advertisement, running paid ads on Google, YouTube, Facebook, etc. where you only pay when someone clicks. Sixth one is affiliate and influencer marketing, partnering with others to promote your brand. Seventh one is video marketing, like this video, leveraging platforms like YouTube or short form content on TikTok and Reels. Eighth one is analytics and optimization, using data to improve every campaign, every time. You don't need to master all of them at once. That's why we are going step by step. The last important thing is understanding the customer journey. At the heart of all marketing is the customer journey. Most people don't buy the first time they see your brand. They grow through stages. The first stage is awareness. They find you on social media or Google. The second stage is consideration. They read reviews or watch your content. The third stage is conversion. They finally make a purchase. The fourth stage is retention. They come back for more. The fifth stage is advocacy. They refer others or leave reviews. Your job as a digital marketer is to guide people through this journey using the right tools at the right time. So that's wrap up today's episode 1, the foundation of digital marketing. In the next episode, we will move into the world of website and blogging, where you will learn how to create your first digital presence from scratch. No coding needed. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the rest of the series. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to every single one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in episode 2.